Chanel Beauty, and I'm coming back with another video, and this video is about 10 females to stay away from, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first set of females that you will want to stay away from is going to be the female that talks about everybody and their mama. So you ever been around like a certain female and like she's like, especially if she's like super nice to the person and then like they walk away or something like that, and then she talk cash about them? That is the type of female I'm talking about. She has something negative to say about everybody. She's never just like really genuine when she is speaking to people, and then they walk away. She's like a different person. Like, those are the type of females I'm talking about. So if you have ever ran into somebody like that and ever witnessed that, stay clear of them, because if they talking about everybody and their mama, they is damn sure talking about you. So when you are not around, so just stay clear of that type of female. And the second type of female is going to be the female that tells everybody business. So if you know something about somebody and that person did not tell you about their business, those are the type of females I'm talking about. Because if they telling their business, they telling your business as well. So it kind of plays off of number one. If you have to always gossip with them and not talk about stuff about, you know, life and just like bossing up and just, you know, progressing in life and just positivity and all that type of stuff, then you don't want to hang with nobody like that, because it's not going to do anything but just get you in drama, and you're just going to be around nothing but negativity. So third type of female. Okay, so the third type of female, I done came across this is many times. So the third type of female is the female that want to know everything about your relationship, your man, and just seem to be too invested in your man. So or that has a past and a reputation of sleeping or stealing somebody else's man. You want to stay clear of this type of female. She is never genuine to you. She would never be a friend to you, and she definitely don't have no loyalty to you. So if you do run across this type of female and she try to latch herself onto you, because that's what they seem to do, just pick up on the signs. If it's like, oh, let me see your man, or let me see a picture of him, or just like jokingly always be talking about them, run, because she would definitely try to steal your man. Definitely too, if she dressed differently in front of him than she does when it's just like y'all two. Like if she's way more like promiscuous in her dressing, then you already know like sis is trying to get your man, so stay away from her. So yeah, you are no exception to that rule. She will definitely cross you too, so stay away from her, stay clear. Okay, so number 4 is going to be a chick that played both sides. So she has friends on this side of the spectrum, and she has friends over here as well, and she doesn't have loyalty to none. So if you see a chick that most people that she hangs with on this side doesn't really deal with this side, but she seems to be over there too, that type of female ain't gonna do nothing but get you in a whole bunch of drama. And 9 times out of 10, which plays off of another type of female I have, one that starts drama, those are the type, they intertwine. Those are the type of 2 females that will always get you in drama. Because I don't know if you ever been around somebody and they you always find yourself in some drama, and it always goes back to that one person. Yeah, they starting that. They bored with life. They want to be entertained. They thrive off drama, so they stir it up amongst people, and then they sit back and watch and act like they just, you know, mutual with everybody and just copacetic, and they are trying to get you in some shit so they can be entertained. So stay away from those type of females and be on the lookout for them. So that's 4 and 5. So number 6 is going to be females that is unmotivated. If you are around females that don't want to first talk about anything that will help y'all progress in life, or goals and aspirations. Also, if you just always find you guys always just kind of chilling at the house, not really doing anything, or she just kind of lazy, like you won't be able to grow as a person or just in life financially. If you hang around those type of people will drain you of your energy. So if you continue to be around that, you will eventually turn into a person like that. You want to surround yourself with nothing but motivated people, and you want to be able to be in a room with people that can take you places and just, you know, be either where you want to be at in life, or that has that same type of mind frame as you. So it's a saying that's like, if you in a room with 5 millionaires, you will become the 6th. So just kind of feed off of people energy, because if you around nothing but laziness and negativity, like, you know, you're gonna eventually turn into that type of situation without you even trying to. So yeah, this kind of goes off of number 6. Number 7 is females that is not supportive of you. If you try to start a business, or you even just try to write down like plans to, if you wanted to finish school, or just your goals and what you want to do in life, and they are never supportive of it, they always find something negative about it, they always try to talk you out of it, they don't give you that motivation that friends normally would give you and support, and just kind of root for you. If they never rooting for you, or if you do have something coming up, an event, you know, some people, they go through stuff so they can't make every event, but if it's like all the time and they like never making your events, they never doing something that will be just taking time out of their day, like 5 minutes out their day, and not even them having to pay for anything, and they still not kind of supportive of you, they either are just like either not believing in what you got going on, they are jealous low-key, or they are just negative, and you don't want to be around any of that. So number 8 is jealous female. So if you always around a female and she never could give you a compliment, and you know you look good, and 10 other people done told you look good, and she can't even, it like hurts her soul to even give you a compliment, or she gives you like a backhand compliment, that is a jealous female around you. If she try to tear you down, if she try to find things wrong with you and how you look, or where you going at in life, those are the type of females I'm talking about. You would never progress with those type of females, and she probably low-key sabotaging some stuff that you got going on. So jealous females, stay away from them. Number 9 is a female that copies you. So it's a single white female type of syndrome. I don't take that as flattery. I hate when people say imitation is the best form of flattery. To me, I do not believe that. I like to have my own style, my own scent, my own swag, my own everything. I don't want the next person to be a carbon copy of me. So any female that try to copy what you're wearing, like I'm talking about the exact outfits from head to toe, to your shoes and everything, wear her hair just like you, use your type of lingo like you, what else? Try to go after the people that you're interested in or have dated. What else? Or just seem obsessive, and you notice it, and not just you but other people notice it, like, okay, this girl is like really trying to be you type of situation, try to like even go after like your dreams when they were never like interested in that type of stuff. Sis is obsessed with you, and you do not want to be around no people like that, because she might try to kill you in your sleep and literally try to replace you. So number 10 will be a female. I mean, some people, they kind of look at that as a good thing. I don't necessarily look at it, but a female with a lot of friends. I'm the type of person, like, I'm good with like a handful, 5 at the most. I don't want to be around a lot of people, because a lot of people nowadays are just untrustworthy. So if you have a lot of people around you, and you know a female with a lot of friends, and it's just always seemed like, you know, everywhere y'all go, this girl, and not just hey bye type of situation, but this girl got like real close friends, and it's like a lot of them, that's kind of scary for me. So, you know, I just feel like that type of person is untrustworthy. So yeah, those are the top 10 females to stay away from. You know, write it down, learn how to scope them out, and just, you know, do your thing from there. And thank y'all so much for watching. It's your girl Chanel Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any other type of females to stay away from, comment them below. Share this with your friends, and thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.